Welcome to Mahakali Tarot Portal. Get ready for your weekly tarot guidance. Whether you are looking for insights into your love life, career, or personal growth, this video has got you covered. Tune in as we explore what the stars and cards have in store for each zodiac sign. Remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tarot readings and spiritual insights. Let's dive into the energies and messages for this week. Hey Aries, this week dive deeply into your work and projects. Your meticulous attention to detail and consistent effort will lead to significant progress. Embrace learning opportunities and hone your skills, as your dedication will bring you closer to your long-term goals. Hello Taurus, traditional approaches might feel restrictive now. It's a good time to question the status quo and explore unconventional methods. Break free from rigid structures and seek out new philosophies or practices that resonate more authentically with you. Gemini, you might feel a strong urge to rush ahead, but it's crucial to slow down and reassess your direction. Impulsive actions could lead to setbacks. Take a step back, plan your moves carefully, and ensure you are on the right path before proceeding. Hello Cancer, this week calls for inner strength and resilience. Challenges may arise, but your patience and determination will help you overcome them. Trust in your ability to handle difficult situations with grace and fortitude, drawing on your inner resources. Leo, this week's success and recognition are on the horizon. Your hard work is paying off, and others are noticing your achievements. Bask in this moment of victory and allow yourself to feel proud. This is a time to celebrate your accomplishments and enjoy the rewards. Hello Virgo, enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've worked hard to reach this point of financial stability and personal satisfaction. Take some time to indulge in the luxuries you've earned and appreciate the comfort and independence you've achieved. Libra, feelings of restriction may be prominent this week. It's essential to recognize that many of these limitations are self-imposed. Confront your fears and doubts, and work on freeing yourself from mental blocks. You have the power to change your perspective and find liberation. Hello Scorpio, you might be avoiding necessary changes, but this can lead to stagnation. It's time to embrace transformation, even if it's uncomfortable. By facing upheavals head-on, you'll be able to rebuild stronger foundations and create a more stable future. Sagittarius, expect some delays and obstacles in your plans. Instead of pushing forward aggressively, use this time to reassess your strategies and goals. Patience will be key, and a thoughtful approach will ultimately lead to better outcomes. Capricorn, this is a period for reconciliation and moving past conflicts. Holding on to grudges or past disagreements will only hinder your progress. Focus on healing relationships and finding peace, which will bring more harmony into your life. Hello Aquarius, stand your ground and defend your position. Challenges may come from various directions, but your persistence and determination will help you overcome them. Maintain your confidence and don't be afraid to assert yourself. Hey beautiful Pisces, your determination and willpower are your strongest assets this week. Stay focused on your objectives and take control of your direction. With discipline and a clear sense of purpose, you'll be able to navigate any obstacles and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching. I hope these insights help guide you through this week. Your journey is uniquely yours to navigate. These readings offer insight and encouragement as you carve your own path to destiny. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from this guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more tarot readings, spiritual tips, and uplifting content. Until next time, take care and stay blessed.